guys, don't fail. And I'm sorry, I just review voice, and it's night already, and I got sick. Sorry guys, I got sick about it. I want to skip this. Oh, sorry. Yeah, sorry. Because I'm just busy. I have something on my hand that's just squeezy. Guys, I can skip this, but I gonna tell you later. And yeah, I need to sleep now. Yeah. Just I will explain the next day, guys. Bye. And good night. Oh, good morning, guys. Good morning. And welcome to my vlog. I will explain my vlog. And I got sick because I eat ice candy morning. It's only afternoon if I gonna eat ice candy. Guys, did you know ice candy? Maybe sure you know ice candy. That's on Philippines. Because I'm on Philippines, I speak Tagalog. Yung Tagalog, guys, like English word. I got sick because I eat ice candy morning, so I got sick on 2 days. And okay, guys, that's all. I just have a problem about that, and my nose is breathing. And bye. That's all. If I'm done to sick, I breathing, and that's all. That's all. Explain more if you want more. What happened? Okay, guys. Okay. No sell. Bye.